Hello, I'm Andrew Ditton and this is the Milenco door lock. This is a high security lock that you can use for your motor caravan or caravan, either the main door or a hatch door. And this is what you use if you can access the area behind where you want to put the lock for a high security device. Otherwise, if there's an obstruction behind where you want to put the lock, you can use the door frame lock, but we'll cover that in a separate video. Staying with the door lock, it's quite simple to fit. You can either do it yourself or you can have your dealer fit it for you. First of all, we mark out where we're going to put the lock and check behind to make sure there are no obstructions. Once it's marked out, we drill the holes through the wall of the motorhome, and it's good practice to fill these holes with sealant before offering up the backing plate. Offer up then the rubber seal and finally the front, screwing in the backing plate from behind. From behind, this is what the backing plate looks like, and then to finish off, caps nice and neatly with this cover. Once it's in place, operation is as simple as that.